that there is an over-engineered, inefficient feed system. He's developing a complex system of vacuum-sealed material handlers and pressure-tolerant hoppers. This is intended to feed fluffy shredded plastic, which is difficult to move under pressure, low density, and prone to bridging and clumping. Yet for around $3,000 or less, he could buy a shredder and plastic extruder. He could melt the plastic and pump it in as a dense, uniform stream into the reactor. This stops so many different issues that he will come across. Different contaminants, the difference in the volume, he would be able to control a stream for actual continuous processing. And also, he's doing about 5 to 10 times the volume of the reactor that he would need to with molten plastic. 1 pound only needs 1 liter of volume compared to the 1 pound to 5 to 10 liters that he's using on his reactor.
A few times people saying I should use an extruder to melt plastic and load it in that way, and the reason why I'm not doing that or going down that route is because I want to actually deal with true plastic waste. And plastic waste is not just plastic, it's plastic with paper, plastic with aluminum, plastic with food and oil. And if you look at extruders, they can only extrude certain types of plastic for one, and they can't extrude plastics that are mixed with things like paper. So that would defeat the whole purpose of my machine, being able to get rid of true plastic waste. If I want to get ocean waste, now I need to filter it and sort it to make sure it can actually be extruded, right? So you can only extrude thermoset plastics, right? And not every plastic is a thermoset plastic, only some of them. So that's why I don't do that. And in regards to the other critiques of my continuous feed system, if you actually had seen in one of my videos, I mentioned how I had some flaws with the first one I built and how I spent $1,500 on metal to actually upgrade it and make it even better because I learned from my mistakes and I have a way to have even more volume going at once. So I think that that's not a fair critique because I wasn't done with the continuous feed system and I made videos showing that. So that's what I can say.